What if I told you there are some steps that could make you irresistibly attractive to women from both a style and personality perspective? Do you know how to instantly grab her attention the moment she lays eyes on you? Or what about mastering body language so powerful that you don't even have to speak to get noticed? Stick around, because today we're diving into 14 steps for men to be super attractive to women, inside and out. Let's get started. Step 1. The power of confidence. Confidence is everything. It's the secret sauce that can elevate your attractiveness without saying a word. Women are naturally drawn to men who are comfortable in their own skin. Confidence comes from knowing your strengths and owning your weaknesses. It's about standing tall, being self-assured, and navigating social situations with ease. But here's the key. Confidence isn't arrogance. It's not about talking yourself up or being the loudest in the room. Real confidence radiates from within. When you're comfortable with who you are, women notice. Your self-belief sets the tone for every interaction, making you naturally magnetic and hard to resist. Step 2. Nail your first impression. First impressions matter, and they happen in the blink of an eye. You've got just a few seconds to make an impression that lasts. So how do you make the most of it? Simple. Eye contact, a genuine smile, and confident body language. Stand tall, be approachable, and let your energy do the talking. Women are quick to pick up on these signals, and they speak volumes. And don't forget about your wardrobe. A sharp, well-thought-out outfit shows you care about the way you present yourself. A clean, polished appearance paired with killer body language, that's how you grab her attention and leave her wanting to know more. Step 3. Self-care is non-negotiable. Want to be irresistible? Start with self-care. Grooming isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. When you take care of yourself, whether it's maintaining a clean hairstyle, dressing well, or sticking to a regular grooming routine, you're telling the world, and women, that you respect yourself. But it's not just about the outside. Self-care means nurturing your mental and emotional health, too. Make time for hobbies, relaxation, and self-reflection. A man who prioritizes his own well-being is not only attractive, but also mentally stronger and more confident in every aspect of life. Step 4. Dress sharp, impress effortlessly. Your style says more about you than you think. It's a form of silent communication that can instantly boost your attractiveness. Dressing well doesn't mean wearing designer clothes. It's about knowing what fits you, what suits your personality, and dressing for the occasion. A well-dressed man who pays attention to the little details stands out in a crowd. Your attire shows that you're confident, competent, and ready for anything. Remember, it's not about the brand you wear. It's about the way you carry yourself while wearing it. Women notice, and they like what they see. Step 5. Master the art of conversation. Now that you've grabbed her attention, how do you keep it? With your words. Conversation is a powerful tool in building attraction. It's not just about talking, it's about listening. Ask thoughtful questions, be genuinely interested in what she's saying, and engage with her stories. Don't forget to sprinkle in some humor. Women love a man who can make them laugh. It shows creativity and intelligence, which are both highly attractive traits. Keep the conversation light, but don't be afraid to dive deeper when the time is right. A great conversation can leave a lasting impression and spark a deeper connection. Step 6. Kindness is king. Kindness is an underrated superpower. It's not flashy, but it's incredibly attractive. Small acts of kindness, whether it's holding a door open or offering a helping hand, speak volumes about your character. Women are drawn to men who show compassion, empathy, and emotional intelligence. Kindness fosters connection. It makes you approachable and creates a warm atmosphere around you. The best part? It's contagious. When you're kind, people respond with kindness in return, building relationships that are meaningful and authentic. Step 7. Body language speaks louder than words. Your body language can make or break your chances before you even say a word. Open body language, like uncrossed arms, a relaxed posture, and leaning in slightly when talking, shows you're confident and engaged. Eye contact is crucial too. It shows you're attentive and interested. 2 qualities women love. Remember to mirror her body language subtly. This creates an unspoken connection, making her feel more comfortable around you. Master your nonverbal communication, and you'll be able to attract her attention without uttering a single word. Step 8. Emotional intelligence. Being emotionally intelligent is more attractive than you think. It means you're aware of your emotions and can empathize with hers. Women appreciate men who can communicate effectively, especially during tough situations. Emotional intelligence shows maturity and thoughtfulness, qualities that are irresistible in long-term relationships. When you can handle your emotions well, you create a safe space for deeper connections. It's about listening, understanding, and responding in a way that builds trust and respect. Emotional intelligence sets the stage for a relationship that goes beyond surface-level attraction. Step 9. Humor always wins. Want to win her over? Make her laugh. Humor breaks the ice and creates an instant connection. When you make someone laugh, you make them feel good, and they'll associate those good feelings with you. It's one of the most powerful tools in building attraction. But don't try too hard. The key is to be natural and playful without forcing it. A well-timed joke or witty remark can turn a casual conversation into something much more memorable. Laughter is attractive, and it builds bonds that last. Step 10. Positive vibes only. Positivity is contagious. When you approach life with optimism, you uplift everyone around you. Women are drawn to men who radiate positive energy because it signals emotional stability and resilience. These are the kind of traits women look for in a partner. But being positive doesn't mean ignoring life's challenges. It means choosing to focus on solutions instead of dwelling on problems. When you have a positive outlook, you become more attractive because you inspire confidence in those around you. Step 11. Balance strength and vulnerability. True attractiveness comes from balancing strength with vulnerability. Being strong shows you can handle life's challenges, but being vulnerable shows you're willing to open up and let someone in. Women find this balance incredibly attractive because it demonstrates both emotional depth and resilience. Strength alone can come off as cold or distant, but when paired with vulnerability, it creates a complete picture. You're not just a protector, you're also someone who can be trusted with her feelings and emotions. Step 12. Pursue your passions. There's nothing more attractive than a man who's passionate about something. When you're genuinely excited about your hobbies or interests, it shows in your energy and enthusiasm. Women are naturally drawn to men who have passions because it reflects confidence and individuality. Sharing your passions also gives you something unique to connect over. Whether it's sports, art, music, or anything else, inviting her into your world can create a bond based on shared interests and experiences. Step 13. Fitness and nutrition matter. Taking care of your body through fitness and proper nutrition is a game changer. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. Regular exercise boosts your confidence, energy, and mood, all of which are incredibly attractive to women. But don't forget about what you're putting into your body. A well-balanced diet fuels not only your physical health, but also your mental sharpness. When you feel your best, you naturally project confidence and vitality, making you more attractive inside and out. Step 14. Be authentic. Finally, nothing beats authenticity. Be yourself, unapologetically. When you're genuine, you attract the right kind of women, those who appreciate you for who you truly are. Authenticity signals honesty and integrity, qualities that are crucial for building deep, lasting connections. Being authentic allows you to filter out anyone who doesn't align with your values. This paves the way for relationships that are based on mutual respect and understanding, ensuring you're attracting someone who appreciates the real you.